Brought to you by GTA. We start with you.
I want to also hear maybe some of the issues with regard to as we're coming out of this pandemic. More justice opportunities for our people. We know that there's backlogs.
A backlog of cases awaiting hearings, trials, and several matters pending at our local courts. Minority Whip Chris Duenas entered into the State of the Judiciary address eager to hear how Chief Justice Philip Carbolito plans to tackle these issues.
And so I think that I'm looking for an optimistic, upbeat, but realistic approach from the Chief Justice.
Chief Justice Carbolito did in fact address this, as he stated due to COVID-19 limitations at the courthouse, there's a staggering backlog of cases. In his address, he highlighted 4 proposed amendments to Guam law in order for the justice system to carry out mandates in the new norm. The 4 proposals include permanently expanding the powers of the magistrates to preside over more types of hearings, to modify bail conditions, temporarily expanding the use of 6-member juries with the exception of first and second-degree felony cases, temporarily reducing the number of peremptory challenges available in criminal cases, and permanently increasing the speedy trial time limits in criminal cases. Speaker Therese Terlaje tells KUAM that one of the proposals already has a strong defense coming from the Guam Bar Association.
We did have a public hearing on those last year, and the Guam Bar Association members that testified were overwhelmingly against implementation of those. They thought it would impede on their clients' rights, and that there were other means of addressing, the backlog or the challenges that the court is facing that the court should address.
Currently, the speedy trial clock ends at 45 days unless told by the court for good reason. And this is a constitutional right in which Chief Justice Carbolito is making a pass to the legislature seeking an amendment to the statute.
We have to discuss it again, and I'm at the last time that we did this, the Guam Bar Association, all the lawyers, they were very much against it.
What are your thoughts on it?
I think if there are other things that we can do, then I agree with the lawyers.
Meanwhile, the Speaker agrees with the Chief Justice that accessibility is a priority, and she believes it should be improved for the general public.
I like that they're trying to be more transparent. I think they should do more, and that they can do more. And I hope they will do more. For example, put these recordings of hearing permanently up on a website so that we can access them even later. I hope that they will open up how to access that for everyone in advance, like kind of publish it in advance so that we can all attend the hearings if we want.
Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Adriana Cotero.